Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into simple beauty and makeup tips for a naturally elegant appearance. Forget complicated routines, we're enhancing your natural beauty with easy techniques. Let's get started. First, skincare. It's the foundation of any great makeup look. Your skin is the canvas. Start with a gentle cleanser for your skin type, avoiding harsh products. Use a hydrating toner to balance pH. Next, a serum for your needs. Vitamin C for brightening, hyaluronic acid for hydration. Don't forget moisturizer and SPF. Sunscreen is essential. For makeup, aim for a fresh, effortless look. Use light coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer to even your complexion. Choose a comfortable formula. Next, concealer for areas needing coverage. Blend it seamlessly. For eyes, mascara brightens instantly. Curl lashes before applying. Try soft brown eyeliner close to your lash line, smudging for a natural effect. Brows should be neat and groomed. Fill them lightly with a brow pencil or powder matching your color. Brush with a spoolie. Blush is key for a healthy glow. Choose a color that complements your skin. Applying it to the apples of your cheeks and blending upwards. Avoid too much. For lips, a tinted lip balm or sheer lipstick is perfect. Choose a color that enhances your natural lip color. Keep it simple and hydrating. Quick tips: always blend. Use a sponge or brush. Less is more. Don't overdo it. Highlight your best features. Stay hydrated, drinking plenty of water. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Practice makes perfect. Experiment with different products. The more you practice, the better you'll become. True elegance comes from within. Confidence, kindness, and a positive attitude are beautiful. Embrace your natural beauty, have fun with makeup, and be yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips. See you in my next video.